Hello, my name is Frank Serial, immigration attorney for more than 33 years in this area of law. Did you know that you can obtain a visa that allows you to work and reside in the United States with a small investment in a business that generates at least 2 jobs? This is the E-2 visa, and it is very convenient for citizens of countries that have a trade agreement with the United States, such as Canada, Mexico, Argentina, Colombia, most European countries, Australia, Israel, Turkey, Czechoslovakia, among others. This is a very versatile and noble visa since it can be renewed indefinitely as long as the investment is maintained and jobs continue to be created. And it affords the holder the same benefits that I have as a United States citizen, except voting in local and national elections. Now, what are the benefits of the E-2 visa? The E-2 visa gives the holder the following benefits. The investor spouse and unmarried children under 20 years of age can accompany the beneficiary, which is the investor. The investor can also work in the company where he or she makes the investment, and the spouse can apply for a work permit that will allow her to work in the same company or in any other company in the United States. Each time the investor or the E-2 holder enters the United States, they are given 2 years of stay. The beneficiary and spouse can also obtain a Social Security number and a work permit for the investor and the spouse. You can also contribute to the Social Security system of the United States and obtain a pension at the time of retirement. You can also get a driver's license. Now, investors' children can attend public school. Some universities, such as the State of University in Florida, California, and many other states, grant a resident fee to people who have the E-2 visa. This affords a very considerable savings compared to paying as a foreign student with a student visa. What are the requirements of an E-2 visa? First, you must make an investment which is substantial. The E-2 visa is given to an investor who meets all of the requirements and has invested in a real and operational company, an amount that is considered substantial. The term substantial is a term of art and is objective and depends on the type and size of the business. For example, $200,000 for a small coffee shop may be more than enough, but not for a Ferrari dealership. That wouldn't even buy you the tires for the car. However, ideally, your total investment should be greater than $100,000. It should be noted that within the investment amounts, the value of legal fees, travel expenses, accommodation in the United States, vehicles, etc., can also be considered. The business must be active. The beneficiary must come exclusively to develop and direct the business. A passive investment could be, for example, investment in a real estate property for rental purposes only. There are, however, options for obtaining this visa through active investments in real estate just as well. The company must also have a commercial lease, that is, an office, a warehouse, or retail premise to accommodate the business. Addresses for the company of houses or apartments are not acceptable. The business must generate at least 2 jobs of U.S. citizens or residents. The investment is made and committed. You must prove that the money has been used to purchase your equipment, inventory, franchise, or to pay professional fees and have a cash reserve for the company. And the business must be operational with sales, payment of basic services, leases, employees, etc., before applying for the visa. We are a one-stop shop. We help you with the creation of the company, the business plan. We give you advice throughout the whole process. preparation of the visa package, coordinating an appointment at the consulate for an interview, and coaching for that interview, and applying for the spouse's work permit once the visa is granted. If applicable, we can also put you in contact with realtors and business brokers to find the exact location, office, business, or franchise that suits you and your immigration goals. Now, despite being very valuable, our first consultation is always free. Please hit the like button below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I urge you to also contact us to arrange an in-person or video conference appointment to review your case in greater detail and find the solution that best suits you and your family. You may also contact us via email at info@sariolinmigracion.com or by calling us at 305-515-8335. Thank you.